Okay, here's the beehive inside the wooden cave. It's kind of scary. It's pretty interesting, they are like two boxes. This is the Beehive ministry from Seventh-day Adventist Church in Hurst, Texas. You can do this in your church also. All you have to get these two boxes and then put some bees with the queen. I gotta ask the pastor how to do that. It's pretty interesting. Let me go a little bit closer, but I'm kind of scared they're coming after me. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. There you go. They're collecting bees, bee honeys. I don't know how often they take out the honey. I have to ask that. Wild bee honey. It's pretty cool. It's it's like a private, like they need like a hidden place so nobody can come inside. The bees like to be like in so private, I guess. This is the wooden